how to add wallet to the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra, or the Edge. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, we go down and then tap on Wallpaper Install, and then tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose a left or a right shortcut, so tap on it. Now scroll down to the apps section. In here tap on Gemini. Then from here you can choose the left or the right shortcut and tap on it. Now scroll down and then select Wallet and then tap on Done. And that's it. Now you can quickly access Wallet directly from your lock screen by swiping up like that. Now alternatively, you can go to your lock screen, then touch and hold. Next, tap on the left or the right shortcut. In here, we then scroll down and tap on Wallet and then tap on Done. So you can access this page directly from the lock screen or from the home screen. The lock screen will be quicker to access. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.